Most people get this wrong when they start looking for gaming reward apps. They assume every app that says, "Earn while playing" will instantly give real cash. But here's the truth no one tells you. Beginner-friendly gaming reward apps exist, but most of them pay slowly, in small amounts, and require consistency rather than luck. In this video, you'll learn the best gaming reward apps for beginners in 2026, how they work, and what mistakes you should avoid so you don't waste your time or get frustrated early. Let's break it down step by step. First is Mistplay. This is one of the easiest apps for beginners on Android. You simply install games through the app, play them, and earn points over time. Those points can be redeemed for gift cards. A user named Jake from Canada used it during short breaks and slowly built enough rewards for small but real payouts. But here's the catch. It's only available on Android in many regions. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second app type is rewarded playstyle platforms. These apps are designed specifically for beginners. You don't need skill or competition wins. You just play casual games and earn points based on time spent. It's simple, but payouts are slow. Third is Swagbucks Game Section. This platform includes simple games, trivia, and offers that reward you with points. You can later convert them into cash or gift cards. Alex, a casual user from Texas, combined games with surveys and reached payout thresholds over time. Fourth is Lucktastic-style casual reward apps. These apps often include scratch cards and mini-games. They are very beginner-friendly because there is no pressure or skill requirement. But here's the problem. Earnings are small and depend heavily on luck and ads. Fifth is skills-based beginner tournaments. These include simple puzzle or arcade games where you can enter low-stakes competitions. You can win real money, but beginners should start small because competition increases quickly. Now let's be real. None of these apps will replace a job or generate fast income. The real purpose is entertainment with small rewards on the side. Also, availability depends on your country and device. Some apps are Android only, and some reward systems change by region. So here's the simple takeaway. Beginner gaming reward apps are best for casual users who want to earn small rewards while playing, not for people expecting serious income. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns that help you avoid wasting time online.